What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. My name is Taco. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Trump won the election. Thank God. America is saved. The rest of the world is so happy that Donald Trump is president, and so is all of America. Well, at least most of America, because, you know, he got elected president. So most of the people wanted him to be president. So that is great to see. Let's jump into the show. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day out there. The crypto markets are pumping. Bitcoin has reached an all-time high. Let's go over the top stories over the last day. Get right into it with our Degen Alpha Show X account. We're going to verify probably very soon so we can stream on X still. Live on X and on YouTube. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and the wildest degenerate crypto picks handpicked by me, crypto_taco01, the one and only. I was just finishing up my stream over there on the Roundtable Space account. It is Mario and the Falls Crypto Show. I am the Web3 gaming host Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today, we were playing Champions Arena. You can download it on your computer, your PC, your mobile phone, your Android, however you want to play it, you can download it, and it's pretty fun. It's pretty addicting. It's a turn-based RPG game where you can turn your champions into NFTs and actually sell them on the open market and get some cash from the game. So let's get into the show. Let's get into CoinMarketCap. Let's see what's going on. Let's refresh the page, get the most current numbers. Holy shit. Look at that. $76,000 Bitcoin. It is up 9.51% today. But before we get into the rest of the crypto coins, total market cap is at 2.52 trillion, up 9.12%. And then the 24-hour volume is up 122%, sitting at $214 billion. Bitcoin dominance has climbed to about 60%, and ETH dominance is closing in on 13. If you want to send your friend some Ethereum, it'll cost 25 Gwei, which is around $1.25. Let's check. I think it's actually half of that. All right, $1.87. So I was actually low today. I'm usually high, but Gwei is actually higher on Etherscan. That's if you want to send your friend some Ethereum or run a transaction on the Ethereum network. Most of the time, if it is a smart contract or like a swap with a random ERC20 token, it is going to be more expensive. But just sending your friend some Ethereum, about $1.30 or $1.76, whatever it was, $1.87. All right, Ethereum is up 11%. I love that Ethereum is up more than Bitcoin because Ethereum has been bleeding massively versus Bitcoin. We can check the chart out. Hey, look at that. We're on the Bitcoin chart. It is piercing through 76K, and maybe we'll see a new all-time high later on. But love to see Bitcoin up. Look at that candle. Look at that candle. Let's measure it real quick. That is a 11% candle, and as you can see, we pushed out of this descending channel that we've been in for over 231 days. It finally broke out. Let's zoom in a little bit more. It finally broke out on the 15th of October. It retested it on the 23rd, and it retested the all-time high back that was formed on March 14th of 2024. And I think today and for the week, I believe that crypto will continue to pump. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's look at ETH versus Bitcoin. Hey, we got Truck Dano in the chat. 024 Generation. What is up, guys? Glad you're joining me today. Good evening from Holland. Pump it. Holland, hello. You speak Dutch or French? Dutch, of course. That's pretty dope. We've got a Holland native in the chat. Wonderful. So there you can see we bottomed out at 0.0346 for the volume of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. And this has pumped about 3.6% versus Bitcoin. So let's hope that this continues up. The 200 moving average is sitting at 0.037. Let's go out to the daily. So this thing is finally turning, possibly forming a bottom. So that's a 20 bull versus a -3 bear. But as you can see, money flow has been in the red for most of the last year and a half. So if that changes, we could see money flow start going into the green. That'll take quite some time because we're currently at a -33 right to the left of me, or right of me. And we have the RSIs very, very low. So when they're at this level, I mean, when they were at this level on May 15th, we got a nice spike of around 31% of Ethereum's value versus Bitcoin. And then another RSI bottomed around January 9th, and that was about a 29% gain of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So let's hope for something like that, and let's actually hope that maybe Ethereum starts outperforming Bitcoin, because, I mean, you got to think, Ethereum is still about $1,000, $2,000 off from its all-time high, which sat at 4,700. So we're under $2,000 until we get to an Ethereum all-time high. Meanwhile, you got Bitcoin blowing past all-time high. So that is obviously showing on the chart, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Let's see what else is moving today. Solana has claimed the 4th spot in total market cap, surpassing Binance at 84 billion. Solana is now at 88 billion, sitting at $187, up 12.34% today. Let's check out our position. Woohoo! We're printing on Camino. We are also gaining our points on Camino so we can get the airdrop of Camino. But our position, which was we put in $1,000 of PYUSD, which is PayPal stablecoin, and Judo Sol. So this is a split liquidity pool where it looks like my allocation ratio is sitting at 52% in PYUSD and 47% in Judo Sol. But the beauty is, if I want to withdraw my allocation, I could withdraw it in PYUSD or in Judo Sol, and I will get that value that has accrued. So I am gaining, I think, 19% in trading fees, and I'm also gaining on the value of Solana because Judo Sol is a liquid staking token for Solana in the Solana ecosystem. They have Judo Sol, they have B Sol, they have M Sol. They probably have more that I'm not thinking of right now, but I've gained $26.61 in fees, and again, my P&L is up to $195 on the plus side. So my position is worth 1.2K. I can take this out whenever I want. There's no lockup. There's no unvesting period or anything. Just easy in, easy out. And again, you can withdraw in whatever token you want within the liquidity pool that you're in. So I loved Camino, but I'm also been experimenting over on Sui. But before we get into that, let's check out the rest of the markets. BNB up slightly, XRP up slightly, Dogecoin up to almost 20 cents. I think it peaked out at 20 cents last night. Tron up slightly. Cardano stuck at 35 cents. It is up 7%, but can we break 35, 40, 45, 50, $1 eventually? I think so. I really recommend following DZ _BTC on X. He is doing fantastic TA and just overall his opinions and his take on Cardano and where it's heading or where he think it's going to head. So I definitely give him a follow and check out his Cardano take. All right. Toncoin up slightly. Shiba Inu up about 6.5%. AVAX above $26 at $26.54. Chainlink is up to about $12. Sui, we entered into a Sui position on Monday, and we're already up very, very. I think we entered in at about $2 or maybe like $1.98 or something like that. So we're up on our position about 16%. So now I can show you guys what I did. So if you check out our video on X, I was watching Dr. Disrespect, but let's go to Degen Alpha. And if you go to the channel, and then you go to live, Sui liquid staking. So at some point during this stream, I go into how to liquid stake Sui, but I'll show you guys again today. It's super easy. So what we did is we got our Sui wallet hooked up to our streaming computer here. We have about, I think it was about $600 we put in. Unlock account. Let's put in our password. I think we have cap locks on. Yes, we do. All right. So we already staked and liquid staked our Sui, but we have just left over about 13.7 Sui, around $31. So what this is it's allowing you to go into different DeFi protocols with your liquid stake SWI. So we're earning 2.81%, which is not crazy, but it's about an average amount of APR that I would expect from a major crypto like SWI. I think we're in like we're ranked 16 at a 6.4 billion market cap. This thing has been gaining in market cap very, very exponentially over the last few months. Let's check that out real quick before we get into liquid staking. So over the last year, so we were at about 52 cents. We touched it back in August, and then August, September, October, and now we're in November. We've about 4x'd since November, and that market cap around then was around 1 billion. So now we're above a 6 billion market cap. So yeah, I am getting more and more bullish on SWI by the day with just the amount of activity I see on X, the amount of protocols that are building on SWI. Coinbase added it to their networks of so you can send SWI out from Coinbase Exchange to your actual SWI wallet. So that's big. When Coinbase allows you to send native crypto assets to their native blockchain, I mean, you would expect them to do that anyway. But I mean, they don't even have BNB on there, so they are more in the camp of like, we don't even care about the fees that we can generate from BNB, because obviously BNB is Binance's blockchain. So SWI is good in my book. So we liquid staked our SWI, so we got SWI in return, and then we took our SWI over to SWI Lend. Right at the top here, you can see SWI. There is currently 25.9 million in this pool that is deposited. Right, borrowed, not much borrowed from this, because I think it's literally brand new. You can see right at the top there is a notice. Spring Stake SWI, SWI, is now live on SWI Lend. So this wouldn't be up here if it was not just brand new. It was literally just put on here. So what we are doing is we're getting, again, 2.81% over here on Spring SWI, and we're getting 3.28% over here on SWI Lend. But then also, you see my wallet is connected. I am also generating these tokens, send points. So it looks like I'm getting 26 per day. So I am assuming, just like a Camino airdrop for the Camino token, and you're generating points on their platform, SWI Lend is following in the same footsteps. Now you're getting points for putting in positions on SWI Lend. You can see you just put in native SWI. You can put in USDC, which is giving you 3.81%. But again, it is not as high as other blockchains. But again, you're doing this because of the points. And of course, I mean, getting APR is not bad. It's better than the crypto just sitting in your wallet, just doing nothing. Might as well use the protocols and DeFi that is available to you. And I believe, again, SWI and SWI Lend and Spring SWI are solid projects. And yeah, I just recommend doing it. Recommend doing it if you just have SWI sitting in your wallet or on your Coinbase exchange. Full what do you want to call it? Just a full reminder here. I would move your crypto off exchanges. There is vast opportunities outside of your crypto just being natively on a crypto exchange like Coinbase, Kraken. Some of the other ones that are outside of the US are better because they they allow you to stake it and get like Launchpad project tokens. You can also, like, Binance is the best in the world. It's just not available in the United States. You get Binance.us if they're still even viable. I believe that they had some funky stuff happen around the time that I think ZZ got arrested. I feel like I missed the boat on SWI. Yeah. I mean, I'd say, I mean, I'm going to just take an educated guess that this can get up to like 20, 50 million market cap. I'm comparing it to like Solana in the early days, where Solana is catching a bid now versus obviously like Ethereum. It already passed BNB. So as far as new networks go, you can say that the mind share is in Solana and in SWI right now, in like the amount of gain it's had and the amount of TVL on those blockchains has been increasing exponentially. God, I cannot believe grass is up to $2.31. The airdrop that everyone thought was going to be a major bust turned out to be one of the best airdrops that you could have been farming, and it was essentially one of the easiest ones to farm. We have our let's see. I actually have to close this and bring it up because I actually like made it disappear. There we go. Here we go. So we are currently. Whoa. What just happened? Let's bring it back up. I think it wanted to make changes to my computer. No, I don't want to disconnect. This does not look right. Let's exit out of that and let's bring it up again. All right, let's try for a third time. What happened? Now it's disappeared. Hey, we got Iran Schmeeds in the chat. I don't know what happened to my Get Grass. It like completely disappeared and it won't come up on my screen anymore. Oh well, I know I'm earning in the background. It's just using the bandwidth of your computer. So even if you're not at your computer, you can be mining grass. So again, like the one that we were most of crypto Twitter was bullish on was Scroll. Scroll turned out to be a complete bust. People depositing tens of thousands of dollars and getting under $1,000 in Scroll, the crypto coin. All right, so let's look at the top gainers. Top gainers today. First, Nero on Ethereum, 51% gain. Lido, which is for staking Ethereum and liquid. There we go. So hopefully it'll come back up again. Yeah, I thought I already did this. Grass is connected. Disconnect. Let's disconnect and connect again. Because this doesn't look like my dashboard. Let's open on desktop. There we go. There we go. So yeah, from yesterday until today, I've gained about 6,374 earnings of like their token. I don't think it's like a 1-to-1 conversion because on the last airdrop, the first season, I think I had like 100,000 or something, and I only got like 68. That 68 though is now worth actually I think I got 89 times 231. Yeah, instead of taking out like the $70, I could have taken out $205 at current market price. But yeah, this is just running in the background and I'm getting a 2x boost by having the node on my computer. So there we go. Now it is running smooth. Now it is running properly. And there is no like minimization. So I just have to like hide this somewhere. All right, it's on my off screen. So yeah, I recommend doing this. It's super easy and it's lucrative, free money. All right, Uniswap, people trading on Uniswap, 31% gain there, almost above 10 bucks, 9.38. Radium, one of the dexes on Solana, 27% gain, and this is the main dex where every Pump.Fun token gets launched after it gets out of the bonding curve. Aave, I keep on reminding you guys, Nick Diamandi was calling Aave about 90 bucks. So look at that. Already about a 2x there. Popcat. This one is for Manawak. Manawak was texting me about Popcat. I figured I'd just do the TA on stream, but no need to. It's doing well. 24% gain on the day, up to $1.60. So I hope his Themex bots that were trading Popcat are still running because he's most likely printing. Hey, Big Tip Shark, what up, man? How you doing today? All right, so Injective is back up above $20, up 22% today. Pendle, I hear some rumors about Pendle. Looks like people are front running it. It's up 21% almost. Just about at a billion market cap, 829 billion. Godius Maximus is the AI meme coin created by an AI, supposedly. That is up 20% today, 21% on the week. You were the first to call it yesterday. Which one did I first call yesterday? Let me know. I like when people say I called stuff first. Sui again is up. Dogecoin is up. Ondo above 70 cents, up about 16%. Brett is about closing in back on $1 billion. Bonk up 15%. We love Bonk. I love Bonk. 1.6 billion market cap. Arweave, BitTense are up. Say up. I love Say. Oh, Trump, you were the first to call it yesterday. Trump. Yes, so we cashed out on our victory over here on Polymarket. So we started off with $150. Now we're up to a $246 because we entered into this position when it was around a 60% positive for Donald Trump to win. And then as the night went on and all the states around the United States started revealing their poll numbers, this just continued to climb, and it did not show any signs of stopping. Love it. Love it. Pith up to 15% gain. I just want this thing to get back up to $80, $90, $1 from when I bought it. I have mine staked, and again, I was fed false hopes of stake your Pith. You will be eligible for all these airdrops. I haven't gotten one yet. Render AI token, 14.62% up. Everything's up. All meme coins are up. Solana, Jupiter is above $1 again. Love it. If you were in on Jupiter early, I recommend still voting because you will be getting rewards from the tokens that are launched on Jupiter. So I just have a little bit staked. Just showed you guys on a stream maybe like a month or two ago. On my personal account, I have way more staked and earning massive rewards over there just by voting. So view ASR rewards, active staking rewards. So these are the rewards that you can expect for, hey, look at that. I can even claim some of my stake Jupe, and I can claim Cloud. It is obviously a very, very small amount because I have a very, very small amount staked. But again, it was just to show you guys the power of all these protocols and what they're pretty much allowing people to do. Vote on different things that happen on their network or on their protocol. And they have other things that they're launching as well. LFG Launchpad, bridging, Jupyter mobile app, their own research department, station, user-oriented user guides to get started with all things Jupyter. So if you're unfamiliar with like DeFi and like where to start, they have a station for you right there. All right, so everything is up. Love to see it. Let's check out some of the top stories with boom. Bitcoin breaks 76K for the first time in history. This came out about an hour ago, so we love to see that. And this is just more news on SuiLend. We're excited to announce SuiL.ag, your shortcut to the most convenient DEX aggregator. So SuiLend Swaps consistently finds the best execution and there's zero fees. So this is amazing. Swap and deposit all in one go, earn yield, and save time because time is money. So you can see a little screenshot here. They're swapping SSUI for USDC. This is the liquid staking token that we were just talking about from Spring Sui. Looks like they're getting, and you could swap it and deposit it all in one go and get 3.81%. So besides that, I actually wanted to show you Cetus protocol, which I wish I'd take my own advice. I have a lot of advice on this channel. I take most of it, but not all of it because I don't know why. I should just do everything I say I do, or do everything I say I should do, because most of the time I tend to be pointing in the right direction. Let's just say that. And Cetus protocol, I was calling this thing when it was down here under 20 cents. And when do you think it got added to Binance? Because it got added to Binance, and I think it was this candle right here where it shot from 21 cents all the way up to 32 cents. So in the last 7 days, it is up 67%. So yeah, wish I took my advice and invested in this. But I guess I did something right, because I got into SUI at least. I got into SUI and I got my SUI, my liquid stake SUI, and I'm staking it to get rewards. So can't do it all, but you can do some. I unstaked my DYM and my Pith, haha, and my Tia, says Iran Schmeeds. He's the mother that got me into it. No, I'm just kidding. It's not all your blame. Yes, it is. It's all your fault, Iran. I'm just kidding. But it was around that time. It was like the beginning of 2024 where we're like in the bull market, kind of getting out of it, or we're in the bear market, kind of getting out of it. And all of these protocols and projects are popping up left and right. Farm this for an airdrop. Do this for an airdrop. Airdrops everywhere. It's raining airdrops. And I'd say maybe a third of those actually paid off. But there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. By farming and doing all these airdrops, you're learning about all these different blockchains, especially the ones that use test nets. So like on your MetaMask, everybody comes with their own test net all the way down to the bottom. Sepolia testnet. So if you're on the Sepolia testnet, we even have some Sepolia testnet tokens, which are valueless, do not have any value associated to them. It's literally on a testnet for testing out new projects. So what a lot of projects do is they want to test out their blockchain. So they deploy it on a testnet. So there's faucets, they call them, that you can just type in like Ethereum Sepolia faucet on Google. And most likely within the first 5 to 10, you'll find a faucet where you can claim these testnet tokens. The whole reason behind that is so you can either bridge your testnet Sepolia tokens to that new testnet, so you can like run some swaps on there, deposit into a liquidity pool, a testnet liquidity pool. You're essentially building up your rapport by using that testnet. And if that blockchain is nice enough, they reward the users for testing out their new blockchain. Just like I think Sonium is the Sony blockchain. Sonium blockchain, is that it? Sonium. Let's see. Yeah, Sonium. So Sonium, I've seen multiple threads on X about Sonium and their testnet, and essentially farming the testnet for Sonium tokens when they release Sonium. Yeah, look at that. Sonium potential airdrop. So let's click that and see what comes up. Sonium airdrop update. So here's how to get it. So it's almost like I've done this 1,000 times. First thing to do is to request those testnet tokens from a faucet. This person, Adam Research, is nice enough to put the link for that testnet faucet. Then the very next thing is to bridge them over to that testnet. Their testnet is called Minato testnet. And then you go to a website and connect your wallet. And that is essentially it for this person's thread of how to get the Sonium airdrop. But let's see what other people are saying. All right, that's not the right token. Sonium, here we go. So this could potentially be other things that you can do within the Sonium ecosystem to qualify for an airdrop. So this person is saying to mint this NFT. Layer 3 task, go here and complete task. Sonium have launched their first testnet. So there you go. Request ETH Sepolia tokens. Go to a bridge and bridge them over to the Minato network, the Sonium Minato network. Withdraw some of the tokens back to Sepolia network. So you're bridging tokens back and forth. Super easy, super easy. And speaking of airdrops and just kind of like how to find them, join our Telegram channel. We have a general chat, degeneracy. I was posting about CETUS and the election. This is when it got added to Binance. So I posted this on October 29th when it was 17 cents. November 6th, today, it's at 32 cents. Look at the volume. 24-hour volume, 22 million. Today's 24-hour volume, 381 million. So if my dumbass just took my own advice, I could have made at least 70% or at least 65%. And here you go. There's the announcement where it got added to Binance. Breaking news. Fans don't need to ask when Binance anymore. CETUS will be officially listed on Binance. There you go. All right. So we have the referrals. So here's, if you want to use my referral for the grass, just download the node and start earning. Oh, there it is. Download the node, start earning. Super easy. All right. Immortal Rising. This one isn't really like a play and earn, but it is a fun game if you like this type of dark fantasy Web3 RPG. There's my first grass link. If you want to trade with Moonshot, Moonshot is Dex Screener's very own app for trading, buying, and selling meme coins. I believe you can even get a reward by using my my link. Maybe I think it might still be open. I think you get like $5 of a random meme coin. If you want to snipe meme coins, I would use BonkBot. I have it up on my my Telegram. It's a Telegram app. I don't even know if you call it a app, BonkBot. But yeah, let's see. I made 24% on that Cardi B token, WAP, wet ass beep. All right, so let's scroll up. Let's go to home. Let's see. So here's the list of all my tokens. Apparently, I haven't been keeping up with this as much as I should. But of course, a lot of meme coins, if they don't catch traction with the cabal and the greater crypto eco bubble hive mind, they usually go down. So Mumu, I think I put in I put in probably like $55. That's down. Pesto, it was that penguin. I guess nobody cares about the penguin. That's down 94%. Sage down 57%. Vivok. So I invested in Vivok when he might have been the VP for Donald Trump. But regardless, if you want to snipe or sell or do anything related to like getting in and out of meme coins very, very fast, it's very, very easy to do so. All you have to do is hit buy and then copy and paste the contract address right here on Telegram and then submit it. You put the amount that you want to buy in terms of Solana and you execute. Within seconds, it's already there. It's already in your wallet, in your Telegram BonkBot wallet. You can extract the keys, but there's no need to. I just don't recommend keeping massive amounts of Solana in these types of wallets. I just use this type of wallet to trade and snipe meme coins. So it's very, very useful if you're like on X and you're on crypto X and you're seeing like all the top I guess KOLs, key opinion leaders, posting their meme coin picks. If you think it has an opportunity to do well, you can very easily copy the contract address from X, paste it in here, and buy it within seconds. It's a lot faster than going to a DEX like Jupiter or like Radium. And you can get front ran, you can get sandwich attacked, you can your transaction might not even go through because of slippage and the amount of percent that the token is moving relative to like the rest of the people buying the token. If somebody buys if someone buys like $3,000 worth of a token, that's like a 50,000 market cap. That thing could skyrocket 20% in like a second. As soon as their $3,000 transaction goes through, that thing spikes. And if me or you, on the other hand, want to buy it at that very moment, you hit submit, it will most likely fail because the slippage is outweighed by the percent gain of that person's just buy of that token. So I hope that kind of makes sense. All right, so let's see what else I got. Showed you guys that. This is Murad again. He's now, I guess, like the meme coin guru or just the uber super cycle meme coin bull. So Cardano's market cap is bigger than the total of WIF, Pepe, Popcat, SPX 69K, MOG, Giga, Apu, Bitcoin, which is Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic 10 NU, and Retardio combined. So he's thinking that these things are going to skyrocket in value because, you know, he's just super bullish on meme coins. He thinks this is the meme coin cycle. And I tend to agree. Most of the times when we see top gainers, it is flooded by meme coins. Today might be different because of the events that happened over the last 24 hours. But there you go. I mean, Popcat's on the list. This is a meme coin right here. Meme coin. Let's see. Meme coin. 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 You get the picture. Bunch of top gaining meme coins. So is this the super cycle for meme coins? Could some of these get up to 10, 15, 20 billion? They could. There's nothing that says they can't. But we obviously can use the biggest one, Dogecoin, as a benchmark. It got up to, I think, 76 billion last bull run. Let's double check that. It actually got up to $89 billion. So when it was at $89 billion, the price, I mean, look at that. Look at that. It just kept going and going and going and going and going. And it got up to a price of 68 cents, about 69 cents. So right now at 20 cents, 20, 40, 60, 80, about a 3x or 4x to 80 cents. Might be a safe bet if you're like on the more riskier side, or if you are a risk avoider, risk averse, is that it? If you're trying to avoid the massive volatility and potential, like your meme coin just rugs and goes to zero, like a bunch of these ones that I have on here, like Vivok is down 94. Sage, I know Crypto Sage has been trying to bring this thing back to life. Pesto is probably dead. No one cares about the penguin anymore. But I still have faith in Moo the Bull. I think that one still has legs. Let's actually check out our Phantom. Let's see what Moo the Bull's value is in our Phantom wallet. All right, so Moo the Bull of $14. That's very awesome. Very nice to see. Let's see what other tokens we have. Dolan Tremp. For some reason, that decided to dump today. Dolan Tremp. Maybe because it's like, all right, election season's over. We don't want to invest in these tokens anymore, so everyone just decided to sell it. This is what I mean with, like, you would expect Dolan Tremp to skyrocket, right? Or to at least have like a positive day, especially with the rest of the market going like crazy, but it's down 48%. So unfortunate if you thought that this was the path to 2, 3, 4, 5, 10x's. Unfortunately, the holders had a other plan for it. All right. So in other news, XQC, which is a massive streamer, he lost $750,000 in Bitcoin after he was betting on Kamala Harris to win the election. Judo Soul. I mean, I've been talking about Judo Soul the last few days. Well, now Phantom. Now Phantom is joining the party. We joined forces with Judo Soul to make liquid staking even more rewarding. For a limited time, receive a commemorative Phantom NFT and a share of 200,000 JTO tokens when you convert your native stake Soul to Judo Soul. So you can dig into the details of our new quest, how to participate. Let's see if we have the banner. All right, we do not have the banner, so that sucks. Maybe it's because this has not updated. All right, so if this is showing up for you, I would do it. So there's going to be a banner like right here for you if it shows up for you. Select Let's Go, select Convert, choose one stake account to convert, select Convert, and boom, there you go. And you will receive the NFT. Am I eligible? You must have at least one Soul directly staked with a validator in Phantom. All right, for at least 2 months to be eligible. So I literally staked 0.08 Solana like a few months ago just to show you guys how to do it on Marinade. Where's Marinade? There's Marinade. Let's see if it works today. It wasn't working the other day. So this is where I like to liquid stake my Solana because I'm getting 8.4%. And then I could take my MSOL over to Camino and double dip, get rewards over on Marinade and get rewards over on Camino. To find those rewards, you can go to Borrow Lend, Liquidity, Multiply. Any of these are at the top and type in MSOL. This is for MSOL. So main market, here it is. It shows you how much that you have in your wallet. Total supplied, 91 million. Borrow amount, 8.15 million. Liquidation loan to value is at 55%. So this is barely giving you anything. This is giving you 0.04%. So if you literally have nothing else to put your MSOL into, I guess you could supply supply to like the borrow lend market. But I recommend going to Liquidity. Oops. Going to Liquidity, hitting the little icon here and typing in MSOL. And now you can see the different pools that you can take your MSOL, your liquid stake Solana token over to Camino, get 6.85% on top of that 8.4% if you go into the MSOL Soul pool. Tommy Martin, what up, Taco? Blunt Wednesday. Hell yeah. Right when I get home, I'm rolling up. So MSOL is paired with Soul, so you really don't have to worry about MSOL depegging or the value of MSOL because it follows the price of Soul. So the risk here is the price of Solana. So you're getting 6.85%. BSOL, MSOL, so these are two different liquid staking tokens, barely giving you anything. So I don't know why anyone would want to go in there. MSOL and Judo Sol. So here are two other liquid staking tokens, 1.53%. Meh. Marinade. So it's the reward token that you're getting on here paired with MSOL. So it's pretty much Marinade's liquidity pool for Marinade and MSOL, which is Marinade's Sol. 25% there. They even have MSOL and ETH, MSOL and Sol again. So what's the difference between this one? This one, it must be, all right, so this one's Radium, and then this one is Orca. So Radium is giving you about 2x what Orca is giving you. All right, very cool, very cool. All right, so that sucks for XQC, but he has enough money, he can spare $700,000. All right, U.S. Senator Loomis posts, we are going to build a strategic Bitcoin reserve. This is super bullish for Bitcoin. That would mean that they would either have to take their existing stockpile and create this Bitcoin reserve, or they would have to continuously purchase Bitcoin to build up that reserve. So win-win, win-win. So Arkham Intel announcing the Arkham Perpetual Exchange. What is this? From the team behind the #1 on-chain analytics platform, Arkham is amazing for tracking like the major ETF buys and sells and like BlackRock's wallets and all those wallets. It's good for all of that. Live on-chain auditing, trackable proof of reserves. I mean, this is like a Zach XBT type of flow map of wallets where wallet funds are flowing. So Arkham is at the helm of this already, and now you'd be able to leverage trade on it. What I'm really hoping is it's not some, it most likely will be, but not available in the United States. But we have a VPN. But if you want to leverage trade with no KYC or no VPN, head over to the ref link all the way at the top, CoinW. Leverage trade with no KYC. I believe there's still like a $30,000 sign-up bonus. You have to deposit a pretty hefty chunk of crypto in order to unlock that bonus. But it's there, and I've been using it. No KYC. You can KYC to unlock other rewards, but you don't need to. So this is pretty cool. Interesting. Seems like Arkham is Yamaha. Selling great motorcycles, but also amazing pianos. I like that. Ignas. I like him. I follow him. All right. And then here is, they're also announcing exchange points. So points meta continues. Camino has points. Sol Lend has points. Aerodrome does not have points, but they don't even need points. But Arkham has points. Users can earn Arkham points based on their trading volume on the Arkham exchange. They're available for everyone, so that's great to hear. You don't have to be, you don't have to use a VPN apparently, assuming that this is correct. So if you are if you like farming points and you're an active trader, maybe port over to Arkham and start generating those points. VIPs who open an exchange account can earn a 10% boost on their earned points so far. Points earned by VIPs for Intel platform referrals remain valid. During the first 30 days of trading, Arkham VIPs can continue to earn points for Intel platform referrals and VIP nominations, as they have previously done. Arkham VIPs with points who are not eligible or do not wish to sign up to the Arkham exchange will still be able to convert their points to Arkham. So this is them announcing a token. Arkham points will be redeemable for Arkham after the first 30 days of trading on the Arkham exchange. So I would get in on this. All right, let's see if we can register right now. Trading begins in a week. This was posted today, 4 hours ago. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Eligibility varies by jurisdiction. Users residing in certain jurisdictions, including the United States, will not be eligible. Ugh. Maybe in a few months, maybe a year, our administration can change that. Because essentially, you're gatekeeping blockchain. Let's see if we can register regardless. All right, let's see. Let's use that one. Let's use that one. We have cap locks off. Requires at least 12. Yeah. All right, how about that? All right, they match. I am not a robot. Let's sign up. Username is not available. Somebody took Degen Taco? I'm about to freak out. All right, let's pick Crypto Taco. How about that? How about that? How about that? Bad CAPTCHA? What the frick, Arkham? Come on. Do I have to refresh the whole page again? I guess so. Let's just do it. All right. Most of it is already filled in for us. I guess I can't use that one, so let's use Crypto Taco. Same password. Whoops. I am not a robot. I typed my password in wrong. All right, let's. Third time is always the charm, right? All right, third time's the charm. If this doesn't work, I quit. What? Invalid password. Why can't it? Why won't it use my password? Okay, it's the message goes away. And that message goes away. All right, just my luck. I guess I'll try another day. Wait. One more try. Let's hit the sign up with Google. Do I want to use this email? No, I do not. So we're going to do this. We're going to do this. All right. So we're going to continue as the Crypto Taco Shack. My brain hurts. My brain hurts. Let's refresh the page. I'm going to complete that later. All right, so you know what? I don't have a VPN on this this desktop browser. Yeah, I don't know. Let's just give up. Let's maybe try this one more time. All right, yeah, we give up. Arkham, you're broken. All right, to end the show, unless you just buy and hold super. What up, Taco? Ricardo Santiago, God Candle Galore, LF Grow, and DZ says just buy and hold super. Let's see if this is Superverse or PeerMe or Supercoin or SuperSwap. I'm going to go ahead and say it's Superverse. Superfarm has rebranded to Superverse. All right, having a good month, or at least the last 7 days. Yeah, better month. 678 million market cap. They're ranked 102. It's crazy that in the middle of the bear market, there was Superverse. Okay. It's crazy. In the middle of the bear market, there's projects in the top 100 that were under like 10 million. Or no, not 10 million. Maybe like 100 million. Now the benchmark is you have to be above 678 million because they are 102. So what is Superverse? Gaming United. Okay, I like it so far. Super connects the biggest Web3 communities to the best crypto games. That's off the grid. I recognize that. Distribution. Superverse is an authentic and irreparable Web3 network and highly passionate partners and players. We have built-in reach for any title to be successful. Okay, so it sounds like almost like a launch pad. Like use us to promote your game. The Superverse native blockchain is a custom tailored for gaming with lightning fast, low cost transactions. Superverse is LEO. I knew I recognized it. Didn't they have like a didn't they have like an NFT marketplace that kind of went bust? Is this it rebranded? Developed in partnership with industry leaders and powered by the Super Token, this is the definitive home for Web3 gaming. Unification by unifying the... All right. What? All right, doesn't want me to read that. Let's continue on with this scrolling. We've played My Pet Hooligan. We've definitely played that game on Mariana Falls account. What is this game over here? Looks like a little town builder. Emperor Medieval Empire, maybe. All the best games. One token. Super is being integrated across elite Web3 game titles, creating the first ever unified crypto gaming network. Phase 1, decentralization, integration, evolution. All right, here are some of the list of their games. Wagme Games, Moon Tropica, Guild of Guardians, Nyan Heroes, Endless Clouds, Avalon, Sidious Heroes, Block Lords, Joyride, Shrapnel. I think Shrapnel only has like closed betas. So like I was trying to play Shrapnel. How the hell do you spell it? SH Shrapnel. Yeah, here we go. So the next time you could play Shrapnel is between the 18th and the 25th. So I'm going to keep a note of that because I want to play it on the Roundtable Space. Be sure to follow the Roundtable Space account so you can see me gaming. Where am I? There I am. Here I am right here. So this guy on the left-hand side is Destruction. Champions Arena. It's like a turn-based RPG. Pretty fun. It's addicting. And you can play it on your phone. So mobile game. All right. I'm going to end the stream with Eclipse. Not 100% sure if I want to do this one. It does require $100. Potential 10K. This number is usually fabricated by a few $1,000s. But this is all in the camp of like following their ex, being active in their Discord. That's the part where you lose me. I don't like just sitting in Discords pretending to care. But hey, if it's lucrative, then it might be worth it. Let's see what else. On-chain with Eclipse. They have with 500 billion on Ethereum, a 0.0002 transaction fee. And gaming. Okay, everyone's trying to be a gamer. Gaming blockchain. Start with airdrop. Follow their X. Start being active. On server, head over to opt-in roles and click on all roles. You know what I'm going to do before I lose this is airdrops. All right, so I posted that thread in the Discord. So let's see what else. So how to bridge, create a backpack wallet, bridge Ethereum from ETH mainnet to Eclipse. Let's see if Orbiter has Eclipse. Did I spell it wrong? E-C-L-I. All right, so you're going to have to use their native bridge. I never like doing that But it seems like Eclipse is their own network, but it's weird that like Orbiter doesn't have them. They literally have almost every layer 2. Get rid of that so you can see all the the different blockchains that you can bridge to and from on Orbiter Finance, and you are getting tokens by bridging. If they ever come out with their airdrop, they've kind of been milking it for a long time. But regardless of the fact that they have like an airdrop that's been like a campaign that's been going on for, I think like a year or two, the bridge is actually fast and it's relatively cheap. A lot better than like a MetaMask. Oops. A lot better than a MetaMask bridge, which is super expensive. See this bridge? Let's just do a test. Let's see. So from Ethereum to Polygon, I want to send Ethereum. I want to receive USDC. Point two. So I'll know right off the bat if this is not worth it. All right, so I'm losing $5 just in this bridge. Like what the F? The native MetaMask bridge doesn't even give me the equivalent value that I'm actually trying to get on the other blockchain. So let's do the same thing on Orbiter. From Ethereum to Polygon, and we're doing 2.2 ETH. Ethereum to Polygon. And we're going to do 0.2. $0.2. Do I not have 0.3? Oh, I have it on base. Yeah, I think I have 0.3 on base. Yeah, I do. All right, Ethereum mainnet. There we go. So I guess we could still do 0.05, 0.05. All right, so I'm losing 0.00001 Ethereum. Too much math to do. Too much math. I mean, if you were to really do this, I would take the time to see like which bridge is better. But 9 times out of 10, Orbiter is going to be better. I mean, gas fees you're saving there, and time spent. This could take upwards of. Let's see if it tells me how long. Gas fee of $38. Terrible. What Orbiter does, it's like a sequencer that's not actually using your own Ethereum. I believe they have like a pool of crypto. So on the back end, they're doing these swaps, and they probably have massive amounts of funds on all these networks. So they're able to essentially save you gas by having those tokens already on those networks. But I think that's good for today. Wrong tab. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. I hope you guys enjoy the crypto market surge today. I hope it continues on. Closing in on 76K again. So I'll be here tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Tommy Martin, Iran Schmeeds, DZ, Ricardo Santiago, Oculus L, Big Tip Shark, David Middleton, Truck Dano, 024 Generation. I appreciate you guys being here. And if you could, just hit that like button. Maybe some new Degens will join and learn some of the different DeFi. Oh, wait, real quick before we go. With the market pumping, with Aerodrome up 10+%, up 20%, our position is freaking printing. $944 in USDC. $943 in Arrow, and $300 in emissions. And again, remember guys, we put in $1,200 total. So 943, let's get out the calculator. 943 times 2 equals plus 300. So our value in this liquidity pool in USDC and Arrow is $2,186. Our initial investment is $1,200. So over the last 2 months, we're up $986. You can claim this whenever you want. You can withdraw your liquidity whenever you want. It's what you want. All right. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Be blessed. Taco out.
Avícese